Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. Well, as you can see on the screen, I am here to discuss 30-Day Success Formula. Okay, I am super excited about this program. I've been in it for a couple of weeks now, and things are going very, very well. Okay, but I want to come back and show you guys that the company actually have products. I've been hearing a lot around the internet that we're doing cash gifting. I don't even get involved in cash gifting, never have. That's not the type of program that I'm interested in. This company actually offers digital products, e-commerce stores, credit cards, concierge services. So I want to just kind of show you guys, and you get a welcome email. I kind of just want to show you some of the things about the program, okay? Because I know you've been seeing this, a lot of people showing proof. But let's talk about what is it, what are you getting? What is 30-Day Success Formula? Because I think people, even some of the people that have joined, they don't even know what they're getting, okay? So let's talk about that, 30-Day Success Formula. So I'm going to show you some different things I've got on the screen. So let's go over here real quick. Some notes that I've got. I always like to jot down some things, okay? So this company, okay, is a direct mail program, but they have digital products, okay? So here we go. Here's my website. Go there and get the flyer so you can go ahead and get started. easymailboxincome.com. You can contact me and I can answer any of your questions. Okay, the reason I joined the program, and as you can see, I made some notes here, is because, first of all, they're going to front you your first advertising campaign. That's 200 letters that you're going to get. Okay, so let's put that there, 200 letters. Everybody's getting that confused as well. This is all they're going to front you. Even though on that order form, you can see where you can select 1,000 and so forth. But they're only going to send the 200. They're going to finance for 200 only. Okay? But you feel free to pay for the other services that they will do that for you. It's a cost. Okay? Alright, so I joined because of that, and it's a 90-day money-back guarantee that they offer, and they haven't received any refunds in the 4 years they've been around. And everybody can get started because you can get started as low as $89. So it makes it affordable for everybody. And then for the people that are interested in a high ticket, you can jump in at high ticket. It goes anywhere. So it's 6 levels to it, okay? Anywhere from $89 to get in up to $12,500. And your commission ranges from $30 up to $6,000. That's the direct sales. And then on the back end, your indirect sales range anywhere from $20 up to $1,500 for your indirect sales, okay? So 6 levels of income. And as I mentioned, they have digital education, credit cards, and done-for-you e-commerce stores. Okay, and then I'm going to show you some of that. Now, real quick, let's get into the bonus that I have. Okay, everybody, I want you to get a clear understanding. The bonus is for everybody that comes in at level 2, which is the 250 level. I'm giving away 200 leads. Please allow, and I'm putting that here now, allow 7 to 10 days from the date that I received your payment, not the date you gave me a tracking number, okay? So it's gotten overwhelming, so I had to order more leads. A lot of you have gotten them, and a lot of you hadn't gotten them yet, but they're on the way. Because what happens is the leads are going to come to me, and then they go to you, okay? So those will be coming, okay? But that's how it's going to work. So I'm giving you that now to let you know up front. Allow, let me see if I can get this off the screen. Hang on. Screen. Okay, hang on. Let me pull this down a little bit here. Also. Okay. So, allow 7 to 10 days, okay, from the date I get the payment. When I text you and say, hey, I got your package, 7 to 10 days for you to receive it. That's how it's going to be going forward. And it's going regular mail. I'm not sending it priority, so it's going to take time to get to you. Now, if you wanted to go priority, send in an extra $7.35 with your payment. That way you can get a tracking number, and then you pay for that extra time to get to you. Not a problem. So do that if you wanted to get there quicker. All right? So moving right along. Okay? Now, so that is the basics of the program. That's why I got started with it. Now let me show you what the product. All right, this program is a business in a box, as it states. Now, if you have the flyer and your welcome kit, the first thing I want to say to everybody, please open your welcome kit. It explains this program. Okay, it's a blueprint in there. You want to open your welcome kit. If you've invested in this business, treat it as a business, guys. Open the welcome kit, get this information, and then you can go to this page. Okay, it's a business in a box. You get enrollments, pass-ups, you get upgrades and overrides. Okay, now over here are the products that we're talking about. You're even going to get a commission off of these products, and I'm going to show you that. As you can see right here, credit card booster. They have credit cards, okay? You can get credit cards through this company, and they report to all 3 bureaus. And when someone orders these, guess what? You get paid on that too, okay? So let's go down a little further. Here we are. Courseware. They offer courses, okay? So everybody's thinking this is a cash gift. It's not cash gifted. Here's the website. I'm on it. They offer courses, and they email them to you, and I'm going to show you the ones that I received. So let me show you. Module 1, guys, you get 8 modules. Module 1, okay, getting started online. These are digital products. Everything that comes with it. Module 2, lead generation, okay. Module 3, sales strategy, okay. Module 4, building website fast. Module 5, marketing made profitable. Okay. Module 6 is advertising on Facebook. They tell you right here what's included. Module 7, the free offer formula. Okay. Module 8 is outsource like a pro. So depending on what level you come in at, that's the module that you'll receive. Okay. Alright, so let's go down. And I'm going to show you my welcome email so you can see that these products, you get them via email. Okay, so hang on, let me show you something else here. Here we go. Now, level 1, you'll get module 1. Okay, when you spend the $89, they're going to email you this course, and it tells you how much you get paid. Okay, level 2, you get modules 1 and 2, and you're making $100 per sale. Okay, level 3. You receive modules 1 through 4, and you get paid $400 per sale. Every level gets paid on 2. You get paid on 2 levels. Doesn't matter, you know, every level gets that. Okay. In level 4, you receive modules 1 through 8. You make $1,000 per sale. Okay. Level 5, you receive modules 1 through 8, as well as the exclusive concierge services. You make $2,000 per sale. And the company will mail 500 letters for you for free. Okay? That's level 5. $5,000 to get to that level. Okay, let's go to the last level. $12,500. You get all modules 1 through 8. You get access to the concierge service. You make $6,000 per sale. You get paid on 2 levels. And you get 1,500 letters mailed for you. The company does that for you. Okay? So, those are the products you get, guys. You get internet marketing courses, okay? Internet marketing courses. That's what you get. Let me show you an example of what they show you down here. Here's some testimonials, but let me show you this one that I saw that was interesting. Let me show you how you can make money with this, not just through 1 through 6. Check this out. This person joined at level 4, okay, which pays out $1,000, but one of their members decided to buy the e-commerce store that cost $9,997. So that person earned $1,000, then they earned 10% of that $9,000. So those 2 commissions together ended up being $2,999.40. Okay, so that's how you can make money with this program, not just the levels, but all the products. Okay, so if somebody buys one of those e-commerce stores, guys, you make 10% of that package purchase, and you make money on the levels 1 through 6. Okay, if somebody buys one of those credit cards back there, you make 20%. Okay, if somebody gets the concierge service, you make 10% of that as well. So not only are you getting the levels 1 through 6, you're making money on these products, okay? Now real quick, let me show you the welcome email. You will get a welcome email from the company, okay? Hang on, let's go over there. Okay, as you can see right here, 30-Day Success Formula sent me my welcome email back on March 16th at 10:49 p.m. Okay, so they're working. Even though they were closed, they were working. So they were basically telling me, welcome aboard. Okay, and right here I had joined at a level 2 initially. So they were telling me how it would be to my best interest to upgrade to level 3. Okay, so this is the initial welcome email. And they tell you right here, you're going to get a welcome kit. Make sure you read it. Read the materials in your welcome kit, guys. It explains this program. Don't just throw money at a program and a system and not really treat it like a business. You want to treat this like a business. You invested. I have people that invested $1,000 and haven't opened their welcome packet yet. Okay? This is your business. Open that welcome kit and read it. It explains everything, because you also need to notify the company when you receive your payments from your members. It tells you how to do that. Okay, so please read that welcome kit, open it up. Okay, so that's the welcome one. And then I received one when I upgraded. Okay, each time you upgrade, you get a welcome for that too with your products. Hang on, to show you that. There's a welcome email for that. When I upgraded, right here, March 30th. Okay. Thank you for upgrading to level 3. And guess what's in this email? My modules. I just went over that with you guys. And it tells me how much I can make by being at level 3. Here's the module. Okay, is included for level 3. Right here. Okay. So you actually get products. So you go here. There's my module for success formula. There's my module for domain construction. Okay. So you receive, and there's the email from them at 30-Day Success Formula. Okay, so you get products with this program. Okay, so guys, take advantage of that. It's just not a sign up and try to make commissions. Okay, you have a whole business here. Okay, so treat it as such. So you have this. Open your welcome kit, welcome kit. Okay, and there's information in there. And then go through your modules. You paid for this. Okay, this is what you paid for. The education here, they're giving you that via email. And then you have, the welcome letter that explains, it's a blueprint of this thing. Okay, so this is serious. So I want you guys to treat it as that. Take time and go through that. It's very critical. If a lot of people are calling me saying, hey, this is going to be my business. This is what I'm going to do. It's going to get me out of my job. This is going to be my retirement. Well, please treat it like a business, okay? You have everything right here, but you've got to read the material, okay? So, again, this is a business in a box that includes products, which I just showed them to you, okay? Credit cards and these courses. Okay, with these modules in it. So you do have a business here with products. So check your emails. When you get your welcome kit in the mail, it comes, you'll get it, and it'll be a red folder with some materials in it printed very nicely on color high gloss paper. It gives you a great description of this program and how all the products work. Okay, so definitely do that. So with that being said, guys, that's all I want to bring to you. I just want you guys to know that you actually have products, okay, with this program. So I'm not sure what people are thinking, I guess because they're seeing the money. But this is what the company is doing. They don't want to have credit cards because we know with all the problems you got with the PayPals and the Stripes and accounts being taken down, they just decide to receive the payment via cash. That's all. You still get the product, but they don't want to deal with the credit card drama, if you will. Okay? So, with that being said, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click the notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video. Okay? You guys have a blessed day.